Counsel, your appearance for Mr. Hopkins. Good morning. Would you waive formal reading? All right. We're setting you up for a pretrial on the 22nd. We already got that notice?
Progress.
All right. Mr. Hopkins, you working? Where do you work?
Wayne County Roads.
How long you been with Wayne County?
A few years, sir.
Awesome. Counsel, any reason not to put him on a personal bond?
Mr. Bonds, he lives in FCA, over the Falls.
Okay. What time did we give you for that court date?
She didn't say we go resume.
Yeah, she's got to give him a time. Heather.
Sorry, Judge. 9:40.
Got that? 9:40? All right, I'm going to put you on a personal bond, Mr. Hopkins. First two conditions are pretty obvious. One, stay out of trouble. Two, participate with your court date. The third one is do not purchase, possess, or consume any mood-altering substance unless you've got a doctor's prescription. So that means no alcohol, no marijuana. Can you live with those rules?
Yes, sir.
Raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm and acknowledge the debt payable to the court in the amount of $1,000 if you mess that up?
Yes, sir.
If you mess it up, we put you in jail. It's going to cost you money to get out.
Yes.
Any questions? You all set? Have a nice day. Merry
Joe, I'm
Christmas.
printing out the notice now.
Just hang on, yes.
Take that.
Oh, I got it. Thank you.
Oh.
Hey, Mr. Hopkins, yes, sir. You can be back on Zoom for Judge Martin. You have a Zoom? Yeah. Okay. That's the Zoom ID number. Thursday, 122, and then photo back. Okay. Thank you. Love you, sir. Thank you. You guys great reform, sir? Yeah. Yeah. Sit down. Start that. Yes, sir.
You want me to go gather up a couple more? We got a couple minutes?
Yeah, he's on the phone.
All right.
Right.
You sit down. You guys gotta say, no, okay.
You know how to do the Zooms?
What?
The Zoom?
No.
So you don't have to come here, you can do it all on the computer, all on your telephone. Somebody will be able to teach you. Got lots of time between now and January 22nd at 9:50 p.m. Okay? Good luck, sir.
Do I have to do that?
You have to do it on Zoom, yes. It's a Zoom appointment. So you got plenty of time. You got over a month, somebody can teach you for sure.
You're gonna go with it.
You gotta learn, you know?
Okay.
What you gotta do. Thank you. How you doing, sir? Fire Martin. The attorney, they come in here? Yes. All right.
Paper, ouch. What's that? You ready? Yeah, whenever tell you time. Let me know we're ready. Please. Waiting on each other now. Is that? Almost done? It is right there you come.
That's actually something. This is 40s. It's what I thought.
Yeah, I think you about 5 years, you.
Fix this. It's love. It's very nice child.
And it's,
Still big down to 1
I still act like I'm 14.
I was gonna say something about it, I didn't want
I feel like I'm 85. I think I'm 14.
no. Listen, don't get started on why now.
And then how are you? Hopefully I feel that I'm gonna hit right.
Okay, so we had your testimony. We have a prosecutor who was yeah, the prosecutor trying to say yeah, everything is really good.
Is she over here?
Yeah, okay, here it is.
All right, thank you.
Yeah.
Did you call it?
Everybody gets to about 4. I was good. I'm hard to hear.
Oh, in the back.
it's like a bad.
You sit on it too? Have a seat, people.
I knew a guy that was a truck driver, kept going to chiropractor, so bad that, he was a chiropractor, fellow told me, quit sitting on your lawn.
Oh, yes,
His wallet was like that thick.
It's like, what an idiot. How come he couldn't figure that out?
exactly.
Got to pay the 2 years first. You can stop fighting me. Where'd you go?
I thought you had a paid attorney. Thomas Markowski. Good morning, Mr. Bowditch.
Good morning, Record Jeffrey Valley, 45367, appearing on behalf of Tomkowski. Sir, could you tell Judge your name for the record, please?
Good morning.
Your Honor, today's date time set for breaking in this matter. We waive formal pleadings. Also had a chance to pre-try this case. You have an executed plea agreement subject to court approval. In that agreement, Mr. Tomkowski If you plead guilty to an added, or, visibly impaired, understanding the including charge would be dismissed.
Thank you. Sir, did you discuss your rights and options with Mr. Bowdish today? You understand those options you're presented with?
Yes.
You understand the possible penalty for the charge?
Yes.
And how do you wish to plead?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily today? Mr. Bowdish, would you voir dire?
Yes.
Morning, Mr. Kaplan.
What are you asking?
Offense date was October 11 this year.
Mr. Markowski, on October 11th of this year, were you driving, sir?
I was.
Were you driving in van here in town?
Yeah.
Had you been drinking?
Earlier, yes.
What had you been drinking? You,
Yes.
you believe because of consumption of that alcohol, your ability to drive a vehicle is impaired?
Yeah.
Did you take the breath test, sir?
I did.
Do you have any reason to doubt or challenge the validity of that test?
No.
Your Honor, I don't believe we know the, but do you believe it was over the legal?
Yeah.
That's satisfied, Your Honor.
So am I. I'll dismiss the original charge.
Thank you.
All right, Mr. Makarowski, I am going to refer you to my probation department downstairs. They're going to schedule with you to come back for an interview and a sentencing date. Based on that interview, they're going to put together a report and a recommendation of sentence. You'll have a chance to go over that with Mr. Bowditch for your sentencing date. I will have read that report, then we'll talk about that report and anything else you want to talk about before I sentence. You understand all that? In the meantime, I'm going to put you on a personal bond. First two conditions are pretty obvious. One, stay out of trouble. Two, cooperate with the process so we can move you towards sentencing. Third condition is do not purchase, possess, or consume any mood-altering substance unless you've got a doctor's prescription. That means marijuana and alcohol are off the table. Understood? Raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm and acknowledge the debt payable to the court amount of $1,000 if you screw up on bond?
Yeah.
Any questions? You're all set. Go on downstairs. Front counter, they'll call your name, give you those dates. Enrique, you're welcome. Enrique Cano Hernandez.
Thank you, Your Honor. Thank you, Your Honor. For the record, Jeff Bottom. Yeah. Sir, could you tell the judge the name?
Enrique was a Hernandez.
Good morning, sir.
Your Honor, today is state time set for arraignment in this matter. We wait for the briefing standing. We've also had a chance to pre-try this case, Your Honor, which is 2022 and 2019 case. On both of these matters, Your Honor, we have an executed plea agreement subject to court approval. In both of these matters, Mr. Cano would be pleading guilty to an added count of no operating license on person. Given the understanding the original charges would be dismissed.
Thank you. Sir, do you understand your rights and options? You understand the possible penalty?
Yes.
Understanding this, are you pleading guilty to two charges, 2 counts of no valid operator's license on person? And are you doing so freely and voluntarily today? On January 7, 2022, did you drive a vehicle in Van Buren Township? Was your license suspended, revoked, or denied at the time? November 4, 2019, did you drive a vehicle in Van Buren Township?
Yeah.
Was your license suspended, revoked, or denied at the time? I'll accept your plea to both added charges, dismiss both the original charges. What's the status now?
Your Honor, he's working on, he has to settle an immigration issue, and then he'll get his CDL back. He has CDL number.
Okay.
Your Honor, the only thing that might come in, and I don't know, if he was since 2022. Matter of fact, I think this year, he hasn't been incarcerated.
Since 22?
Yes, since 22. Matter of fact, I think it was this year.
This year, that's just.
And I don't know if the judge would, if his incarceration would matter the length. I think it was 11 days for this court, but he did 4 months. I think between here and Livingston.
Yeah.
Yeah.
How was he in jail on these files?
Here, it was, possession of stolen property with harm.
Okay, so you weren't in jail on these charges.
Out of this court, a felony.
Court, yeah.
Understood. All right. Okay. All right. And are you working now? Where at?
Like, for myself, self-employed.
What do you do?
Construction, basically.
What kind?
Everything basically except driveways.
Okay. All right, we've got, a speeding ticket from 2019, a registration plate charge from 2022, a no proof of insurance from 2022, $1,200 worth of tickets you've never done anything on. Why not?
Here,
Here.
I was told that's all I had, the driving suspended.
You were told by who?
The judge that I saw for because they put me on diversion.
Okay,
They said you have to take care of these 2 tickets, and that was these 2, and not.
okay. Well, they might have been talking about misdemeanors.
Oh,
Yeah.
With a civil infraction, if you, or if you serve some people,
oh,
if it's a misdemeanor, you get a warrant. If it's a civil infraction, they just assume your guilt.
oh. Well, I have to take care of all of them now, no matter.
Are you in a position to do that?
Right this second, no, but I can do it within the next 2 weeks.
All right, so those tickets are $1,281. You can take care of that in 2 weeks?
Yes.
Okay, so by the 9th? All right, that takes care of that pile of money. Anything you want me to consider before I sentence you on today's files? All right, normally on these charges, I would assess fines and costs and 4 days on the court work program, but given the fact that we had you for a while on some other files with jail, I'm going to waive that. You're welcome. All right, unfortunately, because these files are sold, and we haven't seen you, you've racked up some late fees and penalties. So on each of these files, fines and costs is $650. I'm going to let you set up some kind of payment plan or payment arrangements downstairs today. So before you get out of here, have a paper plan on how we're going to get our money on those. All right, whether or not that's a due date, and you're going to pay it all, or if you're going to do it over payments, however you do it.
Yeah, I didn't want to make payments on first.
Yeah, yep. But before you get out of here, I need that on paper.
Okay.
You're all set.
Thank you.
Thank you, Ron.
You're welcome. Aaron, is it Franchuk? How do you say it? Counsel, your appearance.
Good morning, Your Honor. Peace of Tower from Florida. On behalf of defendant, Aaron Franchuk, you stand to my right. Please state your name for the record.
My name is Eric Stephen Franklin.
Good morning, gentlemen. Tell me about the plea.
Yes, Your Honor. For the purpose of arraignment, like waive the formal reading and stand mute.
Done.
I did have an opportunity to speak with the prosecutor for purposes. We reached an agreement in this matter, Your Honor.
Go ahead.
To dismiss the original 2 counts, it's going to be in section of civil practice. My client would plead responsible for the double parking.
I see that, and he's agreed to pay fines and costs of $400.
Yes.
All right, I'll do it on the civil infraction, Heather. And can you pay the $400 today?
I can pay next week.
We do 14 days, Your Honor, if that's.
Sure.
Thank you.
All right, both original charges are dismissed.
Thank you very much, Your Honor.
Hold on, what do we got all here? Except for, all right, you've got something coming up for a review on January 5. Oh, offer sent to attorney on 12/9, must respond by 12/17. Are you handling some civil infractions for us?
Civil infraction.
Yeah, that one I just talked about was a speeding 21 over. And then we got another one. Failed to signal and observe, review set for 12/18/25, still in pending status. Yeah, you might want to check those downstairs so we don't miss a deadline.
Absolutely.
All right, have a good day, gentlemen.
Thank
You
you.
as well.
Thank you.
What's this pile up here?
Old scratch.
Yaman El Ahmad?
Good morning, Judge.
Good morning.
Half of Mr. Elmont, say your name for the court. So
You
you're,
just need a new date?
yes,
Okay,
the arraignment, you stand mute, when you see other information.
all right. You working? Go ahead.
He is requesting a court appointed attorney to reach out.
Okay, all right. You're working? Where at?
Lowe's.
How long you been at Lowe's? Heather, can we do a pretrial 212?
Yes, Judge Martin. Is his last name ELHMAD?
Yep. What time,
Fine to me, or we get different?
No, it's signed deal.
Okay.
who, or what time we doing that?
212 is gonna be 9:30.
And you said that's Judge Martin?
Correct.
All right. Sir, I'm gonna put you on a personal bond. First condition and second condition, both are kind of obvious. Stay out of trouble and show up for your court date. Third condition is do not purchase, possess, or consume any mood-altering substance unless you've got a doctor's prescription. That means marijuana and alcohol are off the table. Understood? Can you abide by those rules? Raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm and acknowledge the debt payable to the court in the amount of $1,000 if you mess up on bond? Any questions? You're all set. Just wait a minute. We'll get your paper notice. Haley, is it Matthew? Did I pronounce it right? Counsel?
Morning, Judge Dion Pattillo, 82378 on behalf of Ms. Matthew. State your name. Haley Matthew. So, Your Honor, as to the name fans and you anyway reading, I have opportunity to discuss this matter with the prosecutor. There is an agreement to dismiss the original charge of operating while intoxicated, and Ms. Matthew would plead to operating while physically impaired.
Thank you. Ms. Matthew, did you discuss with counsel your rights and options? You understand all those? You understand the possible penalty for the added charge? Understanding all of this, are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily today? Counsel, if you would voir dire, I've got an incident date of October 9 this year.
Ms. Matthew, state your name for the court again one more time. And were you in the city of Van Buren Township on October 9th? Were you driving a motor vehicle? Prior to driving that motor vehicle, had you consumed alcohol? And do you believe that alcohol impaired your ability to satisfy?
I'm satisfied too. I'll dismiss the original charge. All right, Ms. Matthew, next step is I'm going to send you downstairs to the front counter. Probation is going to schedule for you to come back for an interview and a sentencing date. All right. I'll also put you on a personal bond in the meantime. Did you hear me do terms on the last one? First one is stay out of trouble. Second one is show up for your court date. Third one is, all right, raise your right hand. Raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm and acknowledge the debt payable to the court in the amount of $1,000 if you screw that up? Any questions for counsel before I let you go downstairs? You're all set.
Thank you.
You're welcome. What was the name on that one I just handed you?
Yeah.
Feldkamp. Stay where you're at. We're just going to get you an adjourned notice date or adjourned date notice. So we'll take care of that. You're welcome. Front row, you're all together? All right, back row. All right. I'm going to keep doing on this.
Okay, one thing that happened each day.
I don't know.
Get it, Judge.
Okay. Well, you know, just to be honest.
Yes. Oh,
I didn't.
well, that's,
Yeah.
that.
Say that again. It's not good.
You say.
So needless to say, I'm not getting it out.
Okay.
In about 70. If I'm serious. Mr. Pelican, do you have any Zoom? Yes. All right, and the next thing's gonna be on Zoom. That is Zoom ID number right there. On Judge Martin, it is Thursday, February 12th, at 9:20. If you don't need to come here, just jump on Zoom, you'll be awesome. You guys have a Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas.
Bye.
Hold on.
Focus.
Yes.
I'm figuring on that.
No.
It's not it. What was that?
May I ask?
Are we being done? There's nobody in the hallway.
You're lying. That's Joe.
Nobody out there for us. I think that's.
Wow.
Well, I think it was because of work been so active, a chunk. But that, plus we had quite a few no-shows that had several tickets, so that also helps. But let me check. Thank you, thank you.
Are you serious?
Did you not like the Christmas present I got your mother?
I love it. Thank you.
I know, I feel bad.
This courtroom moment shows how quickly everyday decisions can turn into serious legal consequences. When someone admits they were drinking before getting behind the wheel, the court has to step in to protect public safety. The judge here makes it clear that responsibility matters. Follow the rules, stay out of trouble, and respect the process. Personal bonds come with strict conditions for a reason, because one mistake can lead to jail time and heavy financial penalties. Cases like this remind us that the justice system isn't just about punishment, it's about accountability and preventing future harm. But what do you think? Are these bond conditions fair, or should courts be even stricter in situations like this?